Is such, the excitement is such.
Anil Shah and Asif Sheikh walking in the middle. Up just a week back, he would be raring to go.
While is a regular member of the national side, technically very sound. And Anil Shah, the stylish looking Nepal opener, not Nepal opener, but he used to play all around. He was sometimes the opener. He also batted in the middle order as well. Got into the team but could not cement his place. Was out of the national side for a long time, and this is an opportunity for him to make that comeback.
This action, I'll guarantee you that he'll be mostly bowling you straight. But that was outside and punished through the covers.
That is vintage Anil Shah for you. If he gets an opportunity to score runs, he'll always do it. Look at this. Class written all over it. This is what I was talking about. If he gets going, he's the kind of batter whom we think can entertain the...
Was an inside edge. What's the fine leg? Does like off-spin bowling. Plays well against them. Plays the big shot.
Just like that. Spot on, Sarat. And where has the ball landed? To the crowd, and they are celebrating this massive hit from Anil Shah. There was air in offering, and Anil Shah did not hesitate for a while, for a split of a second, and that was deposited out of the ground.
Beautiful shot. It was on the card. It was up. And what a hit that was. Went a long way as well in the crowd. This fresh new approach from Anil is so good to see.
And driven down the ground this time. Elegance written all over it. When Anil Shah gets going, you take a back seat and enjoy a beautiful crafter with the bat. Score runs with elegance and class. He's been out of the side, and the way he has come here, it's clear with his mind. There's the ball to be hit. He is hitting them.
And again, an over-pitched ball and took full toll of it. It's flighted again, played down the ground. It's running away. And 4 more runs. Hat-trick of boundaries here for Nepal. They are moving thick and fast.
Now this will be a massive headache for the Canadian captain. Lovely shot. There was flight in offering. And what Anil Shah did is he played that short and jab almost and timed this ball to the boundary with perfection. What a start already this is for Nepal. 26 for Anil absolutely wants that strike. Is running hard as well. We're on to the 3rd over and we already have 4 boundaries and a 6. Cuts it hard, finds the gap. Anil Shah, you beauty. Anil Shah is in absolute fire. 23 of 7. He's looking to score runs. He's not sparing even the pacer Uday Singh after demolishing Thakur in the previous over. Anil Shah is carrying on with the same form.
Scoring over a strike rate of 300 at the moment. Isn't he continuing that form from PM Cup? This session, ball coming on, and that's hooked away. Towards the square again, it goes all the way.
Mine, what are we witnessing here? Anil Shah is in fire. He's telling everybody that I've been out of the team for a long time. I want to come back, and I want to come back in style. He's scoring runs everywhere, down the ground, towards the offside, towards the long onside. He's smacking them everywhere. Oh, this is a feast already. 37 runs for none, only after 3 overs. This is run feast. 37, that's pitched full. He will go after the ballers.
Right, misfield. Everything's going here and there.
Anil Shah not minding to go after the bowler at all. We'll have to see umpires call. It's 4 runs off the bat. Oh, 34 is what Anil Shah has scored in the first 10 deliveries. You sometimes sit back and think, what is Anil Shah's thought process at this point of time? He's looking to go after the bowler each time he's facing the deliveries. Short delivery, a very well directed one as well. Not exactly where Anil Shah intended at all, but he will collect another boundary. Oh, this is 34 runs of the first 10 balls. Full driven stylishly. What a shot! Anil Shah, you beauty. It's not brute force at all. Invited him for the drive, Isurzot Sohi. And Anil Shah has lashed onto it perfectly. I'm sure with this kind of stroke making, he is making headlines tomorrow.
What a full swing of the bat. Isn't he playing well? Looks in top-notch form at the moment.
Balls. What do we have here? Oh, stand and deliver. What a shot. This is one of the most elegant shots I've seen today. Anil Shah has transformed himself into a different batter. He's backed himself. Look at this. High elbow. A perfect photograph. If you want to, a perfect photograph for the cameraman as well.
It's a batting masterclass at the moment from
2 of 12 balls. Wow, what an innings already. Again, a very good shot, this time stopped by the fielder.
What a start. It's going over 11 runs per over. It's like a T20 game. Good ball from Saad on the stumps.
The record still in danger. If he manages to get a 6 off the next delivery, he will be the batter with the fastest 50 for Nepal.
That's running away. Got some bat on it. Single.
44 of 17 Anil Shah. Isurzot tracks the length a bit.
Keep working, lads. Keep working, lads. We block this race here. Let's go, lads. Come on, Joy. Come, fellas.
Around a 2-year gap almost. Last time he played was in the 2022 friendly series. But what a comeback it's been till now for him.
Pulls it. Where has the ball landed? This has gone all the way and a 50 for Anil Shah. What a wonderful innings. The comeback, the story, the effort, the courage, everything has paid off for Anil Shah. There are instances, Sarat, there are occasions when you feel absolutely privileged to be in the comm box and describe a story, and this innings by Anil Shah has given us this privilege. What an innings this is. The story, the emotions. Imagine he was out of the team for a long, long time. He got this opportunity. He came back, grabbed it by both the hands, and look what he has done today. 50 of only 19 deliveries. This is the second fastest 50 ever in one-day international.